you're attaching your post mount down to a poured concrete slab or a landscape column top, you want to make sure that your post mount is inset far enough from the edge that the post base is not going to overhang. You can refer to the install guide for the different measurements depending upon which post came with your kit. For this example, we're attaching down to a landscape column top. That makes it real easy. We're just going to go ahead and center our mount. 9 inches that way, and 9 inches that way. Once our mount is in the center, we take our hammer drill, and I'm going to use a 3-inch LDT to fasten this down. You can use an expansion anchor, you can use an epoxy anchor, whatever concrete anchor you choose. They all work fine. We've had really good luck with these. So you take your Hilti, drill that out. And fasten that down. You're going to want to repeat that for every hole on the post mount. And if you need to plumb it, you need a torpedo level, and you can use a composite shim. Now, if your patio is sloped so much that you have to use more than one composite shim, I would recommend that you get a little bit longer anchor. We're looking for at least 2.5 inches embedment.